family, what's going on? It's your girl Suzie, and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, because I know y'all gonna like this video already, because I be snapping over here and I don't know why y'all not subscribed yet, but I'll wait. But now we're gonna jump right into the video. So I got this shirt from Walmart. It was a 2XL, $9.98. So we got it on. Gonna pop our shit. Okay, let's go. But no, so the first thing we're going to do is, y'all, I already had tried the shirt. When I tried the shirt on, y'all, I be trying to talk so damn fast. I used these pins to mark how I wanted it to fit. I didn't want a tight fit because y'all know your girl getting super thick and stuff over here, so I don't want my ass hanging out. But so we're gonna go ahead and just sew where we had those pins at, y'all. Can y'all believe I sewed the dress on the right side? As you can see right here, I just have to go back over it because I have to literally waste my time and take it all the way back out after I finish. So now we're just gonna go ahead and cut it off, y'all. I know I don't usually do it this way, but I did it a little different this time because I don't have a template for a dress, and I don't have a dress, which is a little weird. But how y'all been doing though? Like, how y'all day been going? I've been blessed, trying to find myself, you know, trying to stay focused on my trading, you know. So now right here while I'm talking, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of the sleeves off because they was way too long, and then I'm gonna cut the little circle off the dress. Y'all, it did not look like I cut a lot. It was literally a little small piece right there, and it was too much at the end of the day. So I can't wear this dress. My butt is too big for it, so that sucks. But it is so cute, y'all, so make sure y'all stay to the end. But make sure y'all talk to me down in the comment section. Y'all be acting like y'all don't want to talk or something. Comment down below y'all favorite color or something. I don't know, mine's purple. I was seeing my cup right there. But no, y'all, for real, go ahead and drop down some DIY ideas that y'all want me to create down in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram if y'all want to send me the pictures so I can create it. Give me a challenge, y'all. I be really needing some more ideas, but I do got a lot of stuff in mind, and I do want to make some things that y'all want to see. But right here we are sewing up the seam of the arms, and then we're going to do the seam of the side right here. So y'all, I'm going to go ahead and cut out, I only needed 4 of these, but I know I'm going to say 8 in a second, but we only need 4 because they weren't going to be that long. So it's just for these little clips. I kind of measured to where I wanted them at and used my chalk. Y'all, I love this little chalk. We just gonna put it just like that, and I'm gonna cut that extra part off because, like I said, we didn't need it. And we're gonna go ahead and just sew it to the inside of the dress, like so. Simple as pie. Okay, y'all, so while we do that, I want to put y'all on really quick. So I'm working real close with one of the top influencers in Atlanta, right? And she gave me the opportunity to invite a couple bosses to get in their bag. So she'll be literally teaching you guys the plan on how to make money from your phone, how to make money from posting on social media. So if anybody is interested, make sure y'all hit me up on Instagram, DM me, and let me know that you heard about it on my YouTube channel, and I will get y'all connected. I'm trying to share the wealth, y'all. She literally putting me in my bag, helping me make 7K in the next 30 days. So it's lit. Don't be scared, cause scared money don't make no money, okay? Y'all can't be picking and choosing how y'all want to make money, cause money gonna pick and choose how it want to come to you. So we got them all on, y'all. This dress was actually really easy to make, y'all, like really easy. So I wanted to find the fabric, but I had to order it, and I was so thirsty to do this dress. I didn't want to let it go by too long, so I used this. But good thing I'm not actually able to wear the dress, because these are some little things I picked up at the dollar store, literally. But y'all get the picture though. I'm gonna take these buttons off because we definitely gotta we definitely gotta I still can't say it. We definitely have to bedazzle the buttons. Damn. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut that string off, and then I'm going to hand sew the little buttons that I do have on here. They so cute, y'all, and I got them at Walmart. Oh my god, y'all, I wasn't feeling none of this. I literally had to skip like 5 songs, and guess what I ended up listening to? Tyree's Sweet Lady, because at this point, no. Like when I'm working, I like to listen to R&B. 9 times out of 10, I love to listen to R&B. Like, if you're around me, that's what we listening to, period. Y'all, this is my first time, believe it or not, putting on a button. And I was poking my fucking finger so many times. And I was just at Walmart and forgot to get a dimple. Okay, y'all, so that's it, and this is the final and finishing look. Let's go. Okay, because I definitely understood the assignment, like accomplishment achieved, like what? Cause who? I definitely slayed, period. So let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. Tag Jayda Wayda in this video. And I love you guys oh so much. And I'm out. Peace.